In this video, we're going to look at CRA models for several different types of number forms. So the number we're going to be looking at is 124. We're going to start with our concrete model. So again, we're using our place value mat and then our base 10 blocks. So you can see we have 100, we have 2 10s, and we have 4 1s. That's our concrete model. And then I have the representational model and then several of our abstract models on the whiteboard here. So again, at the top, that's our representational model. Again, it's just going to be a drawing that's based on our base 10 blocks. So we have the 100, we have our 2 10s, and then we have our 4 1s. And looking at some of our different abstract forms, so I've included 4 here. This top one, right, this is our standard form. So just writing this using our digits and our place value system. Let's put the 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and the 4 in the ones place. The second line here, that is our word form. So whether it's written or spoken, and 124. You'll notice I did not use the word and in between here. So we don't want this to be 124. The reason for that will come in some future videos, but basically the rationale is that we want to save that word and to represent the decimal point once we expand the place value system further to the right and get some decimals. So we want to read this as 124. The next line is going to be our expanded form. This is where we're just expanding this based on place value. Just to better highlight that 1 is representing the quantity of 100. So kind of connecting it back to each of those place values. So 100 plus 20 plus 4. And then the last one that I have included here is the expanded notation. So pretty similar to the expanded form. You might see those terms used interchangeably. Usually we would see this bottom one as the expanded notation. So here we're just multiplying the number of objects that were in each of those place values by the size of each place value. So 1 times 100 plus 2 times 10, so 2 10s, plus 4 times 1 or 4 1s. Okay, so again, the concrete model is the base 10 blocks. Representational model was the drawing. And then each of these 4 different models or representations are considered to be an abstract model.